So a lot of people went out of their units. Grabe ang lakas ng lindol dito sa Cebu. Tsaka ang tagal pa. Grabe. Grabe guys, ang lakas ng lindol kanina. And ang tagal pa. So everyone went out. Nandito kaming lahat sa may amenities area. Kasi for sure may mga aftershocks pa. Actually, while we're still here at the amenities area, may mga aftershocks din. Ang lakas, ano kaya intensity nun? Nag-send ng news si Princess na sa 6.7, 6.3.
Yung iba 5.3.
Lakas.
Nafe-feel din nila doon.
Hindi. Dito lang. And then,
Sa Cebu lang.
yeah, you have to think quickly. Kanina, so wala kaming choice. Told Alexa and our baby to get under the table. That's the safest. Kasi nasa mataas din kaming floor. And then you can't use the lift, of course. And then, syempre, instead na magpanik ka, you have to be alert.